iPhone showing call failed again and again? Try these quick fixes. Reset outgoing call settings. Open the phone app on your device. Now, dial *#31# and then press call. This disables any hidden outgoing call blocking that might be turned on by mistake. Toggle airplane mode. For this, swipe down to open the control center, then turn airplane mode on, and wait for 5 seconds, turn it off. This quickly refreshes your network connection. Check your signal. Maybe you have a weak signal in your location that causes a call to fail. Move to an area with better network coverage and try again. Reinsert your SIM card. If you use a physical SIM, remove the SIM. Clean it gently and insert it properly. A loose or dusty SIM often causes call issues. Check phone settings. Go to the Settings app. Scroll to the bottom. Click on Apps. Again, scroll down. Choose Phone. Open blocked contacts. Make sure the number isn't blocked. Check call forwarding. Keep it turned off. Reset network settings. In the settings, tap on the General option. Scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset, and click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter the device passcode. This refreshes all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. No data is deleted. If the issue continues, you can try Reset All Settings from the same menu. And that's it. For more iPhone tips and tricks, subscribe.